Beginners looking for a Forex trading tutorial are always very keen to get out there and start making money, but without the right attitude to your startup funds, this often does not work out well. You may think that you want to get started, so you start out with a small balance and you do not care if you lose in the beginning, but at the back of everybody's mind is the hope of making big money, and it can be very disappointing when things go wrong. In fact, many beginning traders give up almost before they started, simply because they began without the right preparation or enough of a backup investment fund. So how much money do you actually need to get started with Forex trading?
Of course, it is true that you can open a live trading account these days with only $100 or even less, but for most people that is not a great idea. You cannot start out with such a tiny amount of money and hope to be making a living from Forex trading anytime soon.
Another problem with starting Forex trading with a very small account balance is that you will be tempted to overtrade. You may begin to treat it as a game. You will want something to happen and you do not have much to lose, so you will open a trade that does not fit with your system just as an experiment. Sometimes it will win, sometimes it will lose. Probably on balance you will lose money that way, but that is not really what matters. The big problem with this is that unless you keep very meticulous records, which is hard to do when you are only risking cents on each trade, you will end up not knowing if your original system would have been profitable or not, because you didn't keep to it.
As for how much money you need, it's probably more than you think. Brokers will let you open a mini account with $1,000, but if that is all you have to invest, we suggest a micro account. You should be trading micro lots, otherwise your risk is too high and you could lose it all.
Multiplying that up, you would be wise to wait until you have $10,000 to open a mini account. And joining the big boys with a standard account requires around $100,000 if you want to give yourself a good chance of success.
It sounds like a lot of money, but there is no need to let this stop you trading. Just remember to start small and begin with micro accounts if your funds are not huge. Keep this in mind and you may be thanking us for saving you from a wipeout with this Forex trading tutorial.